Good morning, guys. So me have a catering for some rice and peas, right? I may say why me never video it because a lot of times people don't tend to video when they make large portion of rice and peas. So what I did was boil 1 pound of peas. So I boiled it with the coconut milk and garlic, little salt, and some crushed pimento seed. That's what we have right here. So I'm like, why didn't I video? So no, we are gonna do the video. So I have 2 pots over here. So come here, we do it in a 2 pot. I do it in a big pot. Well, the two of them big, but you know my draw for me. Bigger pot. So what we have to do, we have to contribute everything together. So now we make sure to mix it so everything combine before we separate, right? So I want majority of the peas in the bigger pot and less in the small pot. I will go in and I go pour some liquid in this and some in this. One more in the bigger pot. So we're going to go in and we're going to add water. So judge it. So I do most of the peas in the big pot and the rest in the smaller pot. So we have to know, we have to know how much rice we are putting in each pot. Kind of know. So I think we're going to go about 2.5 in this and about 4 to 5 in this. Somewhere along, so I have to make sure so we get it kind of right. So I'm just about to turn on the stove. All right, now we're gonna add we're gonna add water to the pot. Remember, so the coconut milk in there already. So I'm gonna go about a little halfway the pot, and for this go halfway the pot, because remember we're gonna add the rice and then it's gonna swell. So this is how we work it. So I'm gonna allow them to boil and then we'll come back. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in now, and just by seeing the steam from this, I'm sure this will boil. So we could deal with this. And as we said earlier, this is one crucial part, because anyway the water tastes, that's how the rice will taste. So we have a scallion and thyme over here, so we tie it from last night. Also we have a bigger one and we have a smaller one. So I'm gonna add this to the small one, right? And we have 4 pepper, so we're gonna add 1 to this pot and 3 to the other pot. So what we're gonna do is use a knife to pierce about 2 holes in it so that we can get all of the vibes there, and kick in the pot. So I drop that in there, right? So now we are going to another big pot. Alright, so now come for big tire scallion and thyme, and we just gonna drop that in the pot. And then we have 3 pepper here, so you know me I go in with 2 first and then I taste it after. So I work with 2 first, not 3. So we have pierce them. We're gonna add them to the pot. And same thing we do for the butter. We're gonna add. Come on, buddy. Stick the paper, stick in it. So we're going with 2 of that. And As I said earlier, I'm gonna allow them to boil, then we add the salt. I make that combine and then we'll move on. So now I'm gonna go in and see what the pot is giving. So we're gonna salt the pot now. So I'm gonna add some taste, add again taste, and you have to make sure so the pot tastes good, because anyhow the same way as how the water tastes, same way the rice are gonna taste when it finish. So you wanna do this. Alright, I'm gonna burn up myself. So this need a little more salt. So we're going with a little more. Combine again. And as I said, guys, make sure you taste it. And once it tastes perfect, you should know if it need any more type of seasoning. I don't like add onion. I don't like add all-purpose to my pot because I don't like the taste. It gives me an off taste, and I think the meat's supposed to complement the rice. You don't want the rice too seasoning, meaning powder season business. So I don't add powder season. So this is perfect. So I'm just gonna cover this, attend to the other pot, and then we are gonna go in with the rice. So these are the big pot. So we add salt, stir, it's fresh. A little more. Alright, this should be fine. I will cover this and then we'll attend to the rice. So this is the brown rice I'm using. So I always use my liquid measuring cup, and so one of this is a pound of rice. So I'm gonna take out 2 pounds and see what else. So 1. Alright, so I wash this and see what it look like in our pot. Camera so you can wash it. Give me that little one more. wash it as much time as you please. Alright, so we are going to take this now and add to the pot. Add the rice to the pot now. We don't want the water in this, so I'm going to pour off this and come back. I don't want so many stretch over the camera to do this. Alright, so I'm going to feed it now because you know we only want like an inch over it. You know this can take half pound more rice. Alright, so I'm going to pause the camera or wash half 1 pound rice and come back. Alright, so just like add that. Add that. Combine it. And this is the next crucial thing, guys. You must can estimate which part of water because you don't want the liquid to be more than an inch over the rice. And this seems perfect. So I'll cover that and allow it to steam. And wash the rice for the bigger pot. Two that, three that, four that. Now I'm gonna do going with 4 first, and then if I have to add 1 more, I'm gonna add it. And it's just look enough. Girl, let's wait and put in the rice. Wait. Put in the rice so they want to have it. I have to save some storage in my phone, so I just continue right, wash it about 2-3 more times and then come back. Why the amount of wash and it's still. So I'm going with the last one this time. Go with this and come back. Okay. No, we don't want the water. need the one more. Okay, so I'm gonna wash it and come back. We're gonna add that to the pot. Cover that and make that go on the thing. I'm going on the rice. Alright, so this is what it's looking like, not fried. So I'm gonna remove scallion and thyme. I'm also gonna look for the pepper. Oh, see that? So I'm gonna take this out. And yeah, we're gonna remove these two. I can deal with that later. So I have to fluff the rice now. So just dip down, bring up. Alright, so I just show you what I go on. Alright, so this part is important also. Once you fluff the rice, any water or whatever would be between each rice, I go just dry up now. So this is the last leg. And then we are going to go up on the bigger part because that's the hardest part. So we go cover down like this. Lift this out of the way. Oh, get rid of this. Pepper busting, I'm smell the pepper them. So this is a far flimsy. Voila. Alright, this looks damn good. I'm proud of myself. I'm always proud of myself. When it comes on to stuff like this. want you to come in close. Perfect. Alright, so now get the bigger fork now and try to go down deeper. Don't you think this even? Get down in it. Shit. Now I only fluff the top. I want to fluff the bottom also. Get a better fork. Okay. God is good all the time. Alright, so I'll turn off this now. And most of the rice done, so just I left this to sit and cool off a little before I transfer it to the foil pot. So I'll just do it like that. Same thing for this. See? I'll transfer it. Turn off this too. And that is it, guys. Alright, dish out the rice. This. I don't know it. Oh God. Let's see what's here. Oh Lord. I wonder if we can push it to it. Guys, wanna see with me. See with me, see with me. My daughter in her bathroom, so she can't be. Come assist. Ah. No, sir. I joke this. Guys, the pot full, still full. So this could I do? Alright, so I learned something new. So I think the one pot of rice could I do for the two something, because I will still have whole heap of rice. Why? So I can't show no what I'm going. I still have whole heap of rice in my pot. So enough rice we have. So you know what I'm gonna do? I left some of the rice for my dinner. For my dinner tomorrow. Alright, I go again. Woo! I wonder if I see what I'm going. You see that, guys? Alright. That is good. So everything come out of the pot. Alright, we don't want that part in the. Oh God, we don't know what I do. Oh God. The pot. It's so good it is. It just slide right out. And we do have much. But anyway, we want to take off that part, yeah? Of the rice. And just put it back in the pot. Not that nothing wrong with it, but we can't give people the bun. to take off that part here. And put it back. So, because I just think of too much. Since you want the problem. And yep. And so what we normally do, I take out the soft peas and with it on top. Sometimes tuck them somewhere. Alright. Looking good. Big up on yourself, guys. Let me take it off, guys. Proud of yourself, you know. When you think you understand. Alright, so we have 2 pan of rice and peas. We have 2 pan of rice, you know. But no say the rice, the plain rice, not bad. So this is what we have. Blessings. 2 large pan of rice and peas.